गोंय रिन्युएबल एनर्जीच्या फाटभुंयेर फुडें वता. 2035 मेरेन गोंयांत 60% सोलार आनी पावर उर्जा घालपाच्या नदरेन पावलां मारता म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत उलयलो.
The presence of our esteemed Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji marks a momentous occasion and signifies the crucial role of Goa plays in India energy future. As a state, Goa embodies its responsibility to contribute to greener tomorrow. We are actively transitioning towards the renewable energy sources with ambitions plan to achieve 60% solar and wind energy mix by 2035. We are leading the way in electric vehicle adoption, aiming for 100% EV penetration by 2027. Our initiatives in energy efficiency and conservation future demonstration our commitment into sustainable future. India Energy Week presents the unique opportunity for Goa to showcase its potential as a thriving energy hub.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.